wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best heated ATV grips. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. A set of Ebro heated grip pads are a great choice for the ATV owner not sure if he or she wants or needs more permanent grips. They install in a matter of minutes and can be just as easily removed, if not enjoyed, or when the cold season is over. They come in at a fabulously low cost and work with most existing grips, but they do stop working relatively quickly. At number 6, these Kolpin 50-0360 hot thermal offer plug-and-play ease of installation. Their handlebar mounted control dial allows quick and easy temperature adjustments and keeps extra wiring and hardware out of the way as you enjoy your wintertime adventures. They have deep grooves for a secure hold, however they're not as warm as other options, and some units fail within weeks. Coming in at number 5 on our list. These from Western Power Sports are low cost but decent quality, almost sure to last through at least one winter season, if not many. They're constructed with temperature-resistant rubber that won't crack or crumble even when freezing weather prevails. They'll fit most thumb throttle vehicles and come with relay-protected controls, but your motor must be running to get the heat. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for heated ATV grips, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the Tusk handlebar heater kit comes with 2 large injection molded grips that feature several built-in heating panels. The result is solid, responsive handles that warm up evenly. The heat settings can be easily managed using a simple push-button controller. They offer a quick and easy installation and a non-slip textured surface. However, note that a thumb warmer is sold separately. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Designed specifically for twist throttle machines, these Bikemaster heated will fit any 7/8 of an inch handlebar and feature a 5-level heat setting switch so you can find just the right temperature. The corrosion-resistant rubber survives tough outdoor conditions. These fit over the throttle piece and are easy to use and install. They're suitable for any 12-volt DC system. At number 2, the Heat Demon High-Low clamp onto your ATV so you can be assured of a relatively secure attachment without the need for adhesives. They offer 3 settings, off, low and high, which are controlled by a round rocker switch. These will last for years of use and their warmth can be felt through gloves. They're made with water-resistant wiring. And taking the top spot on our list, the symtec 215047 offer dual-zone heating. You can warm your thumbs alone, warm the larger grips, or heat both regions. You can also select from 5 different levels of heating, so your hands will be comfortable but never overly hot. No adhesive is needed for installation, and they've got tough and durable wiring. They get very warm at their maximum setting. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for heated ATV grips, or simply click beneath this video.